Welcome to English Boost Hub.
Today is my first day at university.
How do you feel?
Excited and nervous at the same time.
Why are you nervous?
Because everything is new for me.
That's normal.
I hope I make some friends today.
What's the first thing you'll do?
I'll find my classroom. This campus is huge.
Yes, but you'll get used to it.
I think I'm lost.
Let's ask for directions.
Excuse me, where is building A?
Perfect English.
Finally, I found my classroom.
Great job.
There are so many students here.
Don't be shy. Teacher enters the class.
I hope I can introduce myself well.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Emma. I'm from India.
Excellent start.
I'm excited to study here.
Very confident. See, confidence comes from action.
Now it's lunch break.
A great opportunity to make friends.
But what should I say?
Start with a simple greeting.
Hi, can I sit here?
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're making progress.
I met my first friend today.
That's wonderful.
She is studying business management.
Interesting.
We talked for 10 minutes.
That's excellent speaking practice.
I'm feeling more comfortable now.
That's because you're communicating.
What should I do after classes?
Join clubs and activities.
There is an English-speaking club.
You should join it.
I'm afraid my English isn't good enough.
That's exactly why you should join.
You're right.
Growth happens outside your comfort zone.
Today I've spoken more English than usual.
That's a big achievement.
I feel proud of myself.
You should.
This morning I was nervous.
And now?
Now I feel confident.
Amazing transformation.
I learned that mistakes are okay.
Absolutely.
I learned that speaking is more important than being perfect.
Excellent lesson.
Thank you for helping me today.
My pleasure.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
Tomorrow will be even better.
I'm ready to learn more.
That's the spirit.
James, today was much better than I expected.
What surprised you the most?
Everyone was friendly and helpful.
That's great to hear.
I thought people would judge my English.
Most people are focused on helping, not judging.
I think I need to speak more often.
Exactly. Speaking is the fastest way to improve.
Sometimes I translate every sentence in my mind.
Try to think directly in English.
I'll practice that.
What new words did you learn today?
Orientation, campus, assignment, and presentation.
Excellent vocabulary.
I also learned how to start conversations.
And that's a very important skill.
Yes, it helped me make friends.
What will you do tomorrow?
I'll attend classes, join the English club, and speak to more students.
That sounds like a great plan.
I don't feel as nervous anymore.
Why do you think that changed?
Because I stopped worrying and started speaking.
That's the secret of confidence.
Action creates confidence.
Exactly.
Thank you for joining me on my first day at university.
We hope you learned useful English expressions today.
Remember, don't wait for perfect English.
Start speaking today.
One conversation can change everything.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
Keep growing.
Any final advice?
Practice English every day.
Even if I make mistakes.
Especially if you make mistakes. See you in the next lesson on English Boost Hub.